Welcome to KR Tutorials. In this video, let us discuss trigonometric ratios values of 0 degrees and 90 degrees. So for this, let us consider one right angle triangle. Suppose here one right angle triangle is there. This name is A, B, C and right angle at B. Say for example this angle value is theta. So now here when the theta value is 0, then we have to find the trigonometric ratios values. So here theta equals to 0 degrees. Theta equals to 0 degrees. See, for in this triangle, if theta becomes 0, so when this angle value is decreasing, then what happens? See, so this is A. So here AB length decreases. When theta value decreases, then AB value decreases. So next, so like this AB values decrease. So when theta value is 0, then here A coincide with B. This A coincide with B. So when A is coincide with B, then what happens? See, BC length and AB length, so BC length and AC length equal. BC equals to AC and this AB length equals to 0. So this AB length equals to 0. So when this angle value is 0, AC length, BC length both are equal and these two sides are coincide and this AB value 0. So when this is the angle, this is opposite side to this angle, this is adjacent side and this is hypotenuse. So in this case, when angle is equals to 0, opposite sides become 0 and hypotenuse and adjacent lengths are equal. So when now we have to find 6 trigonometric ratios values. So in that first one is sine 0 degrees. Sine 0 degrees. So sine 0 means what? The ratio between this angle value 0. Opposite side, the ratio between opposite side to hypotenuse. So here opposite side means what? AB by hypotenuse is what? AC. But here opposite AB value what? 0. When theta value 0, then AB value 0. So 0 by AC length same, AC and B. But 0 by something is equals to 0. So sine 0 values 0 degrees. So same like that, second one cos 0. Cos 0. So cos means the ratio between opposite side, adjacent side. The ratio between adjacent side to hypotenuse. So here adjacent side means BC by hypotenuse value is what? AC. But here hypotenuse value and adjacent side value both are equal. BC and AC are equal. So instead of BC substitute AC or instead of AC substitute BC. So here BC value is equals to AC. So AC by AC, AC cancel. So the answer is 1. So cos 0 value is 1. So next like that, third one tan 0. Tan 0 degrees. So tan means what? The ratio between opposite side to adjacent side. So the ratio between opposite side to adjacent. So here opposite side is what? AB by adjacent side is what? Adjacent side BC. But here AB value 0, okay, by BC value C. So 0 by something equals to 0. So that's why tan 0 value is 0. So next one, that is cosec 0. Cosec 0 degrees. So cosec 0 means what? The ratio between hypotenuse to opposite side. So here hypotenuse value is what? AC by opposite side value is what? AB. So here AC by AB value 0. So AC by 0 means what? Okay, the division with 0 is not defined. So infinite. So next one, fifth one, that is sec 0 degrees. So sec 0 means what? The ratio between hypotenuse to adjacent side. So your hypotenuse what? AC by opposite side is what? BC. But again AC by BC, AC length, BC length equal. So instead of this BC we can substitute AC. Again AC cancel, sec 0 value is 1. So next last one, that is cot 0 degrees. So cot 0. So cot 0 means what? The ratio between adjacent side to opposite side. So your adjacent side is what? BC by opposite side value is what? AB. So again BC value same, but AB value is 0. AB value 0. So again division with 0 not defined. So that's why infinite. So that's why sin 0 value 0, cos 0 value 1, tan 0 value 0, cosec 0 value infinite, sec 0 value 1, cot 0 value not defined. Next, when theta equals to 90 degrees, when theta equals to 90, when theta equals to 90 degrees means, see, same this right angle triangle we are taking. So this is A, B, C. See, this theta value increasing. Okay, this theta value increasing. So this is A and B. So again this theta value is increasing. So when your theta value 90 degrees, when this theta value is 90 degrees, so this A point is here. So this B point coincide with C. B coincide with C. So that time, so BC length is equals to 0. So this BC length is equals to 0, and AC length and AC length and when AC length and AB length are equal. AC equals to AB. See, when theta equals to 0, when theta equals to 0, so here BC length becomes 0 and AC length and AB length are equal. So when this is a right angle triangle, this is angle, this is opposite side, and this is adjacent side, and this is hypotenuse. So here AC length equals to AB length. AC length equals to AB length means what? Hypotenuse length and opposite side lengths are equal. Next, BC equals to 0 means what? Adjacent side. So adjacent side 0 and hypotenuse is equals to opposite side. Hypotenuse and opposite sides are equal when theta equals to 90 degrees. Now we have to find trigonometric ratios values. So first one, sin 90. Sin 90. So sin 90 means what? Again sin theta equals to the ratio between opposite side. So opposite side to hypotenuse. So here opposite side value what? Opposite side AB. AB by AC hypotenuse. But AB length and AC length are equal. So when AB length equals to AC length, so AB plus we can substitute AC by AC. AC gets cancelled 1. So that's why sin 90 value is 1. So next second one, cos 90. The ratio between adjacent side to hypotenuse. So here adjacent side length is what? BC. But BC length by hypotenuse AC. But hypotenuse adjacent BC value is what? 0. 0 by AC. But 0 by something is equals to 0. So that's why cos 90 value 0. So next third one, tan 90. So tan 90 means what? The ratio between opposite side to 90 degrees angle by adjacent side. So your opposite side value means what? AB by hypotenuse adjacent side value is what? BC. So AB value what here? AB values remain same, but BC value 0. So division with 0 is not defined. So tan 90 value infinite or not defined. Next, fourth one, cosec 90 degrees. So the ratio between hypotenuse to opposite side. So hypotenuse is what here? AC by opposite side is what? AB. So here AC by AB value is equals to AC. Opposite side and hypotenuse both are equal. So AC gets cancelled 1. So that's why cosec 90 value is 1. So next one, sec 90. So the ratio between hypotenuse to opposite side. Sorry, adjacent side. The ratio between hypotenuse to adjacent side. So here hypotenuse is what? AC by adjacent side is what? BC. So AC by BC length is equals to 0. So again division with 0 not defined or infinite. So that's why cosec 90 value not defined or infinite. Next, sixth one, cot 90. Cot 90. So cot 90 value, the ratio between adjacent side to opposite side. So your adjacent side is what? BC by opposite side is what? AB. So BC value is what? 0 by AB. But 0 by something equals to 0. So that's why sin 90 value 1, cos 90 value 0, tan 90 value not defined, cosec 90 value 1, sec 90 value infinite, cot 90 value 0, sin 0 value 0, cos 0 value 1, tan 0 value 0, cosec 0 value not defined, sec 0 value 1, cot 0 value not defined.